the Prius replacement. Very nice. Look who we have. We got Igor, Amanda,
That's pretty tasty.
Hi.
and Kyle. Yar. Alright, so we're getting gas in Kirk's new car. This is what it looks like. It's a 2019 Mazda 3 in white. And we decided we're gonna go a little bit.
How do you operate this?
I don't know. Contains 10%
Do you have to pay
ethanol.
inside or something?
Probably likely.
We're FaceTiming Nemo.
Who?
Nemo.
We decided to not get race fuel because that's a little bit expensive.
The right lane, you don't stop there. You just go.
Alright, so we just got some gas in the old Mercer. And so what's your opinion? How do you like this car?
I like it.
What do you like most about this vehicle?
Really everything is a big upgrade from the Prius. I like that like metal parts don't shoot out the back anymore.
Yeah.
It's very nice in here. I like the interior a lot.
Not as loud as the Prius.
It's not as loud, but in the best way possible, really. Can you hear with the window open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got a nice digital cluster right in the center. Or I should say partially digital, but it's still pretty cool. And then we got nice infotainment.
We're just doing it to do this. We'll have them open soon enough.
Yeah, and we got
Just turn your seat heater on.
seat heater.
Yeah.
They don't have seat heaters back there.
I think he's gonna try to figure it out.
Agreement unnecessary.
So anyway, so we got cool infotainment. It's got a Bose audio system, which is a very, very advanced system. What don't you like about this vehicle?
I don't know. I don't really dislike too much.
What about the visibility? Are you used to it?
Honestly, the visibility, I thought it was going to be really bad, but I've gotten used to it. But yeah, it's a little bit hard with the C-pillars in the back.
A little
Why is that?
restrictive.
Yeah,
But it,
Bitmoji's not showing up.
All right, nice. Testing the capabilities of the Mazda 3.
I'll put my seatbelt on now.
So this is Kirk's car. It's white. This is the front of it. Inside you can see my Dunks cup just sitting there. I got tea. There's a car coming.
We'll work on our best.
We'll work on our best to be there.
Goblins, moving really
You said
fast.
20 minutes, so like 6:10 or like 6:05. All right.
Wait, tell him to fake a heart attack so that the train stops.
Okay.
Fake a heart attack. I have a plan.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
have a plan.
No.
So you go.
Don't listen to him.
No.
Okay.
Here's a plan. So you stand up and then you fall on the floor and start yelling. Ah!
All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that short little video of covering Kirk's new car. I'm sure you guys probably wanted to know what the Prius replacement was gonna be, and it's the Mazda 3. It's the 2019 model, and it's kind of like a mid-trim, so it's got some really good options, and yeah, he likes it, so that's awesome. Hopefully the exhaust rot's out at some point, and we get another straight pipe car video. But it's not as funny as the straight pipe Prius, so yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Peace.